Good morning. So this is Kiyon's another exercise for his left hand and wrist therapy exercises for kid with left hemiplegia or right cerebral atrophy. So yun nga si Kiyon kasi is meron siyang left weakness. Okay, because nawala na nga yung nagko-control dun sa left niya. So the goal of this is to improve flexibility, strength, and control of the left wrist and fingers. So ang gagawin niya is pressing the wall using his left hand. And kung mapapansin nyo nga, hirap siya, okay, hirap at lagi pa niya yung nabibitawan. Actually, at the count of 7, nahuhulog niya na yung ball. So, ito, tuloy-tuloy lang din na gagawin ni Kiyon to. Gagawin namin to every chance that we have. Kasi nga may work ako. So, hopefully, madire-diretso namin to at ma-improve namin at magawa namin up to 10 counts man lang yung pag-squeeze niya ng ball. At hindi syempre kami doon mag-stop. Dire-diretso to. So, hanggang dito na lang muna yung aming video. We will do another video para sa mga stretching at mga exercises na ginagawa namin ni Kiyon to improve his left side. Actually, we have been to his physical therapy doctor and siguro upload ko na lang later ano yung mga naging results ng kanyang pag-visit again sa kanyang physical therapy.